Instagram is one of the most popular social networks in the world. With a population that exceeds 1 billion monthly active users, there are different alternatives for people who want to try a platform like Instagram that is equally focused on photographic content. Bseo. Beyond being an application for photo editing through many filters, it also functions as a social network. Unlike the Facebook-owned app, which is aimed at the general public on a massive scale, Bseo is designed specifically for professionals or amateur photographers. You also can follow other users and see their photos, as well as share your own to display a feed full of your portraits, which you can also edit directly from the app itself. Tumble. It is one of the oldest platforms, even before Instagram became what we know today. Tumble works as a kind of a special blog to upload audiovisual content of any kind and share it with other users. Additionally, you can add information or text to your posts, as well as create your own feed to add text, photos, quotes, links, chats, audio, or video. It is undoubtedly one of the alternatives to Instagram in 2021 that is worth trying, as it is still relevant in our times. IEM. Designed for professional or amateur photographers, serving as a window to the world to show their work. Best of all, in addition to serving as a repository for your images, it has a very complete and powerful built-in editor that gives you access to all the necessary elements to enhance your images. It is undoubtedly a great alternative app to Instagram for those dedicated to artistic photography. Of course, we can't forget that IM allows you to earn money with your photos, as it allows you to sell them under license and for those people who like your work and want to buy them to use them in different conditions.